Merry Christmas and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 25. So let me just give y'all a rundown of what's been going on. So yesterday me and my mom went to town for Christmas Eve. We got some food. Hung out, you know, celebrated the holiday and everything like that. And then today my sister is here. I'm sorry, this eyelash is bothering me. My sister is here and it's Christmas. We opened presents this morning. What is this? Ivy Park. Oh my God, thank you.
Cold, so I said, "Ooh, let me get this."
Thank you so much because I don't have any like hats.
Literally seen it on the way out of my job. Let's let me come grab it. You probably gotta went brush it and you good.
Okay, I'm still stuff it in my stocking.
Nah,
you can get that.
No, not with my new nails. The lady nails good here.
Really?
Yes, I really like how Lexi say my nails wasn't trash. Might be here.
I do want to let you know this gift probably might make you cry. So I'm gonna give you some tissues, but I did also get you a massage, so that's also added.
Oh, okay.
Sweatsuit. Let's talk about you as we talk about sweatsuit.
Okay, you just give it a gift.
I went into Armani and I went to True, and I
got all of them.
And that's why I didn't know. And it's probably gonna make you cry, but it came from the heart. No, this was.
Oh no, she is good.
She is fucking excellent. I feel like I'm gonna break something.
Open it from here. Just to open it.
Yeah, help me.
Cause you got this.
Ooh, this heavy.
Hold on.
Does Stacey know what it is?
Stacey doesn't know what it is either.
Oh.
Okay.
The tape.
Yeah, I'm gonna say I added more tape to it.
Smart girl.
The name's Bond. James Bond.
Oh great, it opened up upside down.
What is that? It's a snow globe and it's her and grandma's picture in the inside. And it says, "A piece of my heart forever lives in heaven." And you can play music with it.
Oh. And it's my favorite picture. How did...
Let me see. And it's like an angel holding the picture.
I can't cry, my eyelashes will come off.
Hey! Oh, that was very
I love this.
That is really, really, really nice.
Stacey.
Yeah. Nice. Oh.
That's tough.
It's my favorite.
It is sweet. And when she called me and told me about it,
My fault.
it's right there. When she called me and told me about it, I said, "Oh, that's perfect."
Very beautiful.
That is so pretty.
And it's a younger picture.
Yes, it's my favorite picture of me and my mom. And it's like, how
That's
did you get that?
classic.
You took it off
I took it off Facebook.
But they did it. It's
Oh, it printed perfectly.
printed.
I don't know.
For it to be an older picture, you know how sometimes it be.
I sent in CVS trying to print the picture.
You printed that in CVS?
This okay, so here's the deal. Bring that
I'm
back.
putting it down. You're gonna have to put it back in there. I'm just moving it. I'm so weak at the Gordon because I thought this was a part of our bell. This almost went in the trash can.
You welcome.
I love it. Now, okay, so when I move, I gotta go get a damn stand.
You gotta get a stand because I have degrees that you need to put up.
Shut up. Well, that's
Christmas.
Did I give you yours?
No.
Oh.
You got trash?
Wait, I got more gifts.
You got a trash bag?
Yeah, just put it in one area.
This is why you kept saying.
For your new home.
It's the line.
Oh.
Okay, so Stacy, I had already bought it and Stacy said she was gonna give you hers.
So what? I got two.
So,
I got
yeah.
two. Stacy got two.
Oh, wait.
I wasn't gonna return
Yes, I think I left the one that you gave.
Now, Asia said she left the one that you gave me at your house.
it. So,
She said, where you leave it at?
It's not in my car.
And we can put the cork back in there so I can see if it works.
In the car.
you want your other gift now too?
She said she don't have it.
I'll look for it, but I really don't think I have it.
And rinse. Sorry. Thank you, Stink.
You're welcome.
This going to suitcase with.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and just pass out everybody their gifts.
Yeah, please. Oh, this mine too?
Yeah.
Okay, well, look, get yours. You keep leaving your stuff out.
I'm okay. I'm gonna try to open yours first.
Ooh, is this
Wait, is this for my? Is
Yeah,
this for my
well,
DJ equipment?
for your house.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So everybody, so this stuff can stop getting banged up, and I can finally stop leaving it in my car.
a new one. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Let's do good.
I know. I always
did.
do.
I got
Is it more in here, or you just use this?
That was just fluff.
Tell us about always do good. It ain't fun.
We know that already. Well, Feliz Navidad, everybody. Hope everyone enjoyed their
I
gifts.
love my gifts.
Asia has one more gift for me.
This is like,
I hope she likes it.
I can't, I want to use this as soon as I get in the house.
Is it a suction that can go on the wall?
I don't know.
Oh.
I don't know because everybody at work and I told them I wanted
It's
it.
an Amazon thing?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put my stuff from my wallet in here.
Oh, so
Okay, but you need
Can
to
you open the last gift?
I want my phone. This ain't my phone.
Wait.
I said that's mine. You
Hey,
not-
so can you pass me my phone right behind you? I think that's not it. Where is my phone? Who put it on the phone?
Oh, yeah, I did. You said put it on the charger.
All right.
All right, Asia's opening her last gift.
What's the weather?
Who opened that?
Asia, she's opening up the last gift of the day.
So Jeanette, I'm about to leave your group.
From me. Hope you like it.
I don't like that everybody's getting their camera out. I feel like it.
Because I hope you like it. I hope if you don't like it, I'm gonna be very upset.
Ain't gonna be no laying on the hands this year. Ain't gonna be no knocking over those trees. I was gonna knock over the tree for my dog Martin though.
Y'all are disrespectful. But when I said I was gonna do it,
They always gotta do like.
Hey, so I'm not putting you in it because I know how that feels.
Okay, I was like, okay, let me get up out of this.
I'm definitely down at the thing, her legs. Because I hate when people do that to me. When I was in Japan, I took pictures of this. Hold on. This is really
Oh, you got it.
oh, she's crying.
Come on now, you know your favorite rapper wasn't gonna come out, nobody was gonna get it. It was just a matter of who was gonna get it. And your big sister beat us too.
Oh, she has me cry.
Oh, fine.
Lexi won this year.
Yes, she won. What? Did they?
Oh, Merry Christmas.
A few minutes ago, you was knocking over. Oh, well, mission accomplished. Can everybody in the world see what it is, though? Can we see what she did?
She didn't even read it all the way.
She saw the dream bill.
I've seen these
Oh, you got it. Now leave us alone.
I'm about to cry.
You still knocking over the tree though? We laugh like shit. Lexi big got that. We laughed about you knocking over the tree.
I gotta find my way.
So Madeline was gonna buy it, but we already had it.
Some silverware thing.
Brunch done by moi.
This is so sad.
Yeah, I got pissed off.
So I do have some footage from that. I cooked breakfast and then now we're about to head to dinner. So last year we started this tradition where we go out to dinner on Christmas. So me and my mom started it last year and we went to Del Frisco's this year. We're in New York. I picked the restaurant and we're going to, I don't want to butcher the name of the restaurant, but it's called Maestros, I believe. So I already got dressed. I just did something. I wasn't able to get my hair done, so I was a little upset about that. So I just pulled something together and then, yeah, literally pulled something together. And I went and got my nails done yesterday. I just got like a nice pretty blue color, you know, something for the holidays, something cute. I'm gonna actually put a red lip on, and then I'm wearing an all white fit. So we're about to head out. We have to be out the house like in the next 10-15 minutes and in our Uber, because we're gonna Uber into the city. So I just went ahead and got dressed, and because I'm putting all white on, I'm waiting to like the very last moment to put it on. All in all, I had a really good Christmas. I got everything that I wanted, like literally. I'll go over it a little bit later, or maybe in the next video, like everything that I got. But I would say the main thing that I got that I'm very excited about is the Rihanna limited edition coffee table book. I'm like so freaking excited that I got that for Christmas, and I can't wait to put it up. I can't wait to put it up in my house. This eyelash is not working for Lex. It's not working. It's making my eye look crazy. So let's go put our clothes on and head to the restaurant.